Hi, hola, bonjour, hello, marhaban, hello. Have you ever seen one like me? A speaking avatar? Or wondered how to make one like me? Or do you wish that your avatar could be more than just a still image but possibly speak up? Well, let's get started. My name is Ms. Bre, and I am a Voki character, and can speak many languages. Some persons may call me a talking avatar. Well, I am so excited because in this video, Ms. White will demonstrate how to make a talking avatar like me.
To create a Voki for a new user, 1. Visit Voki.com. 2. Sign up for a user account. Select Login at the top right of your page. A login box will appear. Click on Sign Up here at the bottom of that box. A Sign Up for Free box will appear. Fill out all the details for your box. To ensure you have a working email address. Click Sign Up. An account created confirmation appears. Click Proceed to Account. You are now required to log in. You must agree to the Voki's terms of service below in order to finalize your registration. Select I agree to the above terms of service and click Continue. You are now on Voki's page, logged in as a new user. 3. Then visit the Create page by clicking on the Create on the menu bar. 4. Select a character. Click the character icon to select a character from the list that appears. Choose a character from among the different types that appear. Five. Select accessories for your character by clicking the accessories icon from the list that appears. Choose among the various accessories. Six. Change the background. Select the background icon and select a background from the list that appears. 7. Customize your Voki's physical appearance. Click the color icon to customize your Voki's appearance. You can change the color of its mouth, eyes, body, hair, and possibly add makeup. Let's do that now. Eight. You are now ready to give your Voki a voice. Click the voice icon and you can choose from text to speech, microphone recording, phone recording or audio upload. Let's do that now using text-to-speech. Type in your text. Some tips. You can use comma, pause, and quotation marks for a longer pause. You can also change language from English, but I will stay with English for now. And you can also select your speaker.
Hi, my name is Tom and I am an elf. I am from the wonderful island of Trinidad and Tobago.
A female
Funny, I know
voice.
you, though I came from the North Pole.
Male voice.
Hi, my name is Tom and I am an elf. I am from the wonderful island of Trinidad and Tobago. Funny, I know you.
Okay, so you know we say Trinidad and Tobago, so therefore you can use the dash and phonetically change the pronunciation. Let's test that.
Hi, my name is Tom and I am an elf. I am from the wonderful island of Trinidad and Tobago.
Wonderful. Nine, to publish your Voki, press save. You will be prompted to name your Voki. So my Voki's name is Tom. Ten, share your Voki. To share your Voki, select one of the ways that best suits your needs. And that's it. You have created a Voki. I can't wait to see your Voki.